guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you know this face, but we're not on talking terms right now because she betrayed me. She moved to her own place, and this video is about me making over that place. I did it all by myself with no help from her because she has no skills of hand doing.
Wow.
I mean, I'm not lying, but she left me and I made over her place. You guys really need to watch.
I didn't leave you. I did something.
Anywho, this video
and I
is
didn't
going to
betray
be...
her because her sisters came from Nigeria and she left me. My sisters took her away from me.
Excuses. That's how they all sound. In this video, we're going to be I made over our house already like a few months ago, but both of us have not had the time to shoot the intro for this video.
I had the time. She did.
That's like each time I say I want to come shoot the intro, she never had the time. But anywho, you guys are going to see we made the whole bedroom makeover. So it's like a whole compilation of living room. I already posted the patio, so that's going to be excluded. So the living room, the bathroom, the bedroom. The dining is also going to be excluded because I didn't have any clips of making it over. But we're going to show you guys like the finished product of the dining. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I drove here straight from work after working a 10-hour shift to meet this mess. The movers just dumped literally everything in the living room, and by the time I got here, Ella had to leave like literally the next second. So it was just me and my new roommate / assistant here just trying to help her organize things. But what she did not know was that we had other plans. So our plan was to make over her bedroom before she came in so that she at least had a place to sleep. Okay, so it's getting really dark and I have to go back home for work, but I just left her. I mean, she left and the room wasn't like this, so we made her bed and everything, and we just left it in a sort of presentable manner. Yeah, so she's gonna come home and see this. And oh, let me just add this right here. Just one more thing missing. I wish I was going to be here to see her reaction, but I'm gonna have my sister stay behind and record her reaction. But I hope she likes what Dior is holding for her. By the way, her doll's name is Dior. But anywho, I have to go now. Come back, finish this tomorrow.
Hey! Ooh! Heavy! It's one of my African sauce entered. Ooh! Oh! I feel bad because I didn't do anything. I didn't give her anything. You guys are funny. You guys should edit that thing out.
Waffles.
Yay, she took me to my nail. Where is she?
Do you make waffles? Do you make waffles?
Oh, I love it. Ooh, look at the bed and everything.
Did you even realize they fixed your bed?
I know. What will I do without bed though? Nothing. Oh. I don't want to cry.
If I had to pick a roommate, I'll pick you all over. I'll pick you 100 times and even 1,000 times more. I can't imagine what 2020 would have been like for me without you. You went from a roommate to a friend, and I'm so grateful for that. You were there for me so many times I can't even count. Even when I did not know I needed you to be there for me. You were my friend even when I had none. I can't even start to talk about all the free food and how you made me get addicted to Chick-fil-A. Well, what I'm trying to say basically is I love you, and even though you live just like 8 minutes away from me now, I'll miss you.
fantastic.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. I'm not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. We won't have one. If you don't start a conversation, conversation, we won't have one. We won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.
Thank you guys for watching the video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, because it took me like 5 months to get her to come sit down to shoot the intro and the outro. So we're shooting another video today, which we're going to title living with a roommate versus living without a roommate. So you guys should go check out that video. You wouldn't want to miss it, because we've not shot it yet, but I can tell it's going to be good. So just go watch it after this one and check out the other home makeover videos. Bye.